Welcome back in YouTube. This is Wicked's Tech Lab, and today we're going to be showing you how to make a link tree. Well, why do you need a link tree, you ask? Think of a link tree like an all-encompassing house for all of your social media links. Maybe like if you use a keychain for your passwords. You have one password to log into your keychain, and that logs you into everything else for all the other websites you go to. Well, Linktree is like that, but for all your social medias. You have one link that you can drop anywhere, and it will link everybody to all of your social medias in one spot. Let's go ahead and get an account made, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. I'll leave the link for the website in the description below, and then when you get to it, we're just going to hit sign up for free on the top right hand side. It's got an easy step-by-step process. You're going to make a username and put an email, or you can use a phone number and then press create account. It does say you can always come back and change your username later if you want to. So if you make it now and decide you want to change it later, you don't have to make a new one. Then when you hit create account, it's going to have you enter a password. Now we're going to go ahead and personalize the account. Once you put your name in and hit continue, it's going to bring up a list of categories where you can say what your account's about. As you can see, when you select a category, it gives you some subcategories. I'm going to go with tech and social media, as I'm making YouTube videos to help with your social media. Go ahead and hit continue. Next, it's going to bring you to a page for subscriptions. We're really only interested in the free version to have the unlimited links and links to apps for all of our social medias. If you decide you want any of this extra stuff, you can go ahead and pay for it, but we're just going to be talking about the free version today. You're going to hit the check mark at the top and then get free. Go ahead and click let's go. Now we're going to add all of our links. Go ahead and hit let's go. And it'll move you onto the account. Now that we're in the website, you can see there's two different lines on the link. They're going to be the same currently, but there's an edit button at the top on the right hand side. All you have to do is click that, and then you can change it to whatever you want. I'm going to go ahead and add a new link here. And this next one's going to be my Twitter. I'm going to hit the edit button next to the URL. I'm going to drop the link. When I go ahead and click off of it, it's going to add it. Then we're going to add new link. I'm going to grab my TikTok URL. We're going to hit title, TikTok. We're going to go to the URL and we're going to paste it, and we're going to click off. You're going to go ahead and add the links to all of your pages. Another really nice feature in here is if you're a part of a Discord and you're allowed to invite people, you can just paste the URL to the Discord and click off of it. It'll automatically put the title. Once you get all of your links in, you can move them around by using the little 6 dots here. You can click on them and slide them up or down until you have them in the order that you want. You can also see on some of these, they give you extra options. So for Twitter, it gives you some extra options that you can click on. Some of them require an upgrade. For Twitch, it gives you some extra options you can click on as well. So just make sure you're checking those out and seeing what you got. Also, on a side note, you can see that I haven't verified my account yet. Make sure you go to your email and verify the account. Now with the basics of it set up, unless you paid for the premium, this is all you need. You can click share in the top right hand corner and copy the URL. The URL is also right here, and go ahead and share it out to your friends. Remember, the only way I grow is if you share my videos with your friends so I can help them too. Don't forget to like the video, comment in the bottom, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can find your way back. If you want to leave your comments in the bottom with projects that you're working on, or you can send them to my email that I'll list above. I'll come check your projects out and let you know what I think.